Blackmoon Cosmetics is a very gothic brand, and I've been waiting for this trio to come back for over a year. I've been looking everywhere for these sorts of colors. I really like the weird looking colors. And here is the box that it comes with. I'm so excited, you guys don't even know. So excited. You guys ready for the autumn trio? Oh, something fell. Oh yeah, they gave me a pair of lashes for free as well. This is how the autumn trio packaging looks like. It's very fall themed, obviously. Comes in a really cool looking triangle, and this is limited edition. One of the shades in here is a permanent shade, and it's kind of like the orangey shade. So let's rip this baby open. Ooh, this is probably pissing off a lot of people. Sorry, not sorry. Ooh. I am very sweaty. So we have 3 shades here. We have Harvest, which is like a burnt orangey color. We have Cider, which is the one I'm most excited to try. I've been looking for shades similar to this for about over a year. This one is kind of like a mustardy yellow. Then we have Hazel, which is a olive military green shade. If you guys are curious what I have on my mouth, it's La Lupe from Kat Von D. But we're not here to talk about her. We're here to talk about these babies. And this is the free lashes that came with it. This is, I believe it's called Lynx. I've never used any of the Blackmoon Cosmetics lashes before. This is how the packaging looks like. It's really cool. It's like a little... Oh. That's how they look like. Alright, let's try it on the lips. Oh, it's nice. Kind of gives me like a spicy pumpkin feel to it. This is a very unique shade. Alright, let's just try sticking to 1 coat of lipstick. Obviously you guys know this is how the packaging looks like. It has a little bit of a diffusion going on here. I think it is a very stunning orangey, burnt orangey shade. I think that it goes really well with my makeup, but even if it doesn't match your makeup, you can wear whatever the hell you want. I think it's really beautiful. Next shade. Let's do... Alright, we're gonna do the one I'm most excited for next, which is Cider. Let's do it. Alright, let's go with Cider, the one that I've been dying to try for over a year. Oh, I have some of that. Oh my gosh. Shade is so beautiful. I am in love with this color. I am in love with this color. It's such a beautiful burnt mustardy looking shade, and it's just so amazing. Like, why can't they make more lipsticks like this? And this is limited edition. This is probably one of my favorite lipsticks of all times. Look at it. It's such a beautiful color. They need to make more colors like this. I am in love with this color. Last but not least, let's try Hazel. And we'll see which one I'm going to go to the grocery store in, even though no one's going to see me because I'm going to be wearing a face mask. But let's do Hazel. This is the Olive Military Army Green. Very autumn colors, very fall, leafy dryness going on here. To be honest, I think you can wear lipsticks no matter what season it is. I hate when YouTubers say, I love this berry color, I cannot wait to wear it for the winter months. Who cares? It's true. Who cares? If you want to wear a black lipstick, what does that fall under? Oh yeah, Halloween? I hate that. Oh my god, it's not Halloween yet. Nobody asked you. Nobody. Gosh, let me get these makeup wipes right here. Crap. People piss me off. They piss me off really badly. And oh my gosh. You're wearing a jacket and it's summertime. Last and definitely least, no, just kidding. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a, you know how hard it is to not move my mirror and try to get out of focus? Okay. So this particular lip shade, I really love this. This is also a limited edition. The only one that's not limited edition, like I said, is Harvest, which is a shame. Blackmoon Cosmetics should definitely keep these too. I mean, people have been buying them, obviously, or I mean, I wouldn't be mad if you just had it available once a year. That would be great. And nobody really makes lipsticks like these, and that's why I really appreciate Blackmoon Cosmetics, because everything is so beautiful that they do, and the designing, the quality, it's vegan, it's cruelty free. The theme is so original, it's so unique, and I definitely recommend Blackmoon Cosmetics to any of you guys and gals watching. Jana Amina, and don't forget to watch anime. And if you guys like Blackmoon Cosmetics, the link will be in the down bar how you can obtain these beautiful shades. And don't be afraid to wear any crazy colors or care what anybody thinks. You don't owe them anything and they don't owe you anything. You could just do whatever you want. Wear red lipstick during summer. Who cares about winter?